Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of the one. We are marching around remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification button. I am still here with you. Please share and subscribe. I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Let us have a view of this place. You can see the view. This is London Street Vlogging, sight and sound of London, UK. Can you see how the cars are parked on this? See how the trees lined up here? This is in a neighborhood of London. You can see the road. I think you can see that. Let me just, you can see how everywhere, as they say in Kenya, manganyo. You can see we are walking. Let me face, you see. I think you can see me. You can see me. I don't know if the sun is allowing you to see me, but okay, continue. I think that's a playground there. I think you can see children's playground there as part of this neighborhood. This is sight and sound of London. This is when we go around to show you what is happening. You see, this is one of the playgrounds for children. There are many in this area. I think there are up to 3 or 4 of them. This is one of them. You can see how they provide for children, where the parents and the people take their children to, enjoy. See, so that the place is not a ghetto or a prison or urban prison. That's how kudos to the town planners who think about that. I know that in some countries in Nigeria, they don't think about these things. They just, the estate agents and developers, they just build houses everywhere, not thinking about the people, not thinking about where the children will go and play. So let us just look at the buildings. Look at the plane. I'm still Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. We are still marching. You can see. See, everywhere is green. But still. That's the sound of plane. I'm just on the footpath of Heathrow Airport, London, and you know how busy Heathrow Airport, London is, and almost every 2 minutes or 3 minutes the plane is passing by overhead. What do you think about this video? Show us some love by liking and commenting this video as part of Sight and Sound of London, UK. What is your view? What is your opinion? Don't fail to leave a comment on the comment section, and we will continue to discuss. And we are here to bring you the best. And this is me. 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 Yeah. So that's so I just want to so you can see so that's we'll very soon wrap up this Sight and Sound of London, and I hope you do enjoy this video wherever you're watching from the world. Do you want us to be bringing this type of video to you so that you see a lot more of London? Just drop that. If you want us to be bringing that, we'll be gratefully be bringing that to you. Thank you very much for always joining us. Remember to like and comment. Remember to share and subscribe. I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. See you in the next one. God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Bye.